During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly work through time.
This is Spaceship program. Welcome aboard. On the map is running, please show us where you're from different time travel.
Recording our knowledge on cave walls. There was only one small problem. When we moved, the recorded knowledge stayed behind. Now let's move ahead to ancient Egypt, because something is about to happen here that will change the future forever. Unknown Egyptian pounding reed flag is inventing papyrus. Papyrus in turn creates better record keeping, plans, signs, and unfortunately taxes. But it also brings with it the dawn of great civilization. At this point, each civilization has its own form of writing, which none of the others can understand. But the Phoenicians, who trade with all of them, have a solution. They create a simple common alphabet, adaptable to most languages. Remember how easy it was to learn your ABCs? That's the Phoenicians. They did it. The Romans created powerful empires. To move their armies around, they built the roads all over the known world. Rome built the first worldwide web, and its leader states But then there was a roadblock. Rome falls, and the great library of Alexandria in Egypt is burned. Much of our learning is destroyed, lost forever. Or so it turns out there are copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East, with watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. For instance, the first battles. The books are saved, and with them our dreams of the future. toil endlessly recording books by hand. That is about to change. Gutenberg invents the movable type printing press. Now knowledge can travel as fast as these new books, as travel may. And the result is an incredible explosion of innovation we call the Renaissance.
This humble young man wins again in the Berlin Olympics, proving to the world that champions come in all races, creeds, and colors.
By now, we're all communicating from everywhere and united together from somewhere.
Take one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
To send a man to the moon, we had to invent a new language, spoken not by man, but by computers. At first very large, very expensive computers, but with everyone could have one of these amazing machines to their own house. But just one problem, they're as big as a house. The solution companies are all based at a garage in California. Young people with a passion for shaping the future put the power of the computer in everyone's hands. Together we form a super network that glows with billions of interactions. And once again, we stand on the brink of a new renaissance.
Please remain seated, time travelers. Attention, travelers. Please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward for your return to Earth. In preparation for your return to Earth, your time machine is now rotating backward. Please remain seated. Attention. You are now rotating backward.
All of us can have a say about the kind of world we want to live in. The choices we have made for the past 30,000 years have been inventing the future one day at a time. And now, it's your turn. Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we? On your computer screen, answer a few questions first. Then we'll show you a new world, custom made just for you. Ready?
Ladies and gentlemen, our time travels have been momentarily delayed. Please remain seated. Your time machine vehicle will begin moving again at any moment. Please remain seated. We'll resume our journey shortly. Thank you.
Please remain seated. Your vehicle will begin moving immediately. Remain seated, please. Our travels are resuming now. And now I believe your future is just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future. Here in the future, your home in the city will be a smart home that automatically knows what you want. Almost as soon as you do. Need something for a special occasion? Your closet comes equipped with a computerized personal shopper that helps you purchase a custom-made outfit, even if it's for the day. Now that's a smart look. Your smart home has everything organized to help you start your day. The wheel will literally be at your fingertips, because your home's information network can bring you your daily news almost anywhere. This is designed to encourage you to see comfortably or buy a chef. Your smart home will know when it's time to leave and make sure you're dressed for success in your custom manufactured clothes. Of course, your smart home is already set for your automated car, which takes you where you want to go, while you relax and enjoy the beautiful view of the nature. The end, or should I say the beginning, of your future.
So here's to the next 30,000 years on Spaceship. While no one knows for sure what it will do, I do know it will be quite an adventure. An adventure that will take us and together. See you in the future.
Welcome back, time travelers. Now, we invite you to visit Project Tomorrow, where new ideas and innovations are being developed to make the world a better place.
Your vehicle doors will open automatically. Please keep your hands away from the doors and step carefully onto the moving platform.
What's